Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, let me show you the error and then we will fix this issue. Connect to the internet. You are offline. Please check your internet. As you can see here, the internet is connected but it is saying this error. And when I try to open another Microsoft website, it's not working. So let's fix this. Step number 1, open the run command from here. Search run, and on the search type here ncpa.cpl, ncpa.cpl, hit OK. Now go to your internet connected. If you are connected with your Ethernet, then connect with Ethernet. If you are connected with Wi-Fi, then right click on it and go to its properties. Now look for the internet protocol version 4, go to its properties. Make sure you have selected obtain an IP address automatically and obtain DNS server address. Select the manual one. Try the first one, then obtain DNS server automatically on your system, and if it doesn't work on your system, just try to refresh it. If it doesn't work, then you can select this option 8.8.8.8, and in the alternative 8.8.4.4. This is the Google's DNS, and click on OK and click on close, and now see if that is working for you or not. If this is not working for you at all, we can go to the control panel from here. Now go to view by, select here the large icons category wise, and once you see this, you have to look for internet option here. So let me see the options, internet options here. This option, internet options. Now look for the options here, advanced. Restore advanced settings, click on apply, and once you see this, see if the restore setting is working for you or not. In my case it is still not working, then we can go ahead with the next step. Go to connections here and then click on here LAN settings, and then proxy server. Untick any proxy server which you have on your system and select the option automatically detect setting, and then click on OK, and then click on OK, and see if the setting is working for you or not. As you can see, this setting has worked for me, so it should fix the issue on your system as well. If it's still not fixed the issue, then make sure you don't have any VPN here that is added on your system. If any VPN is added here that can cause the issue, you can remove that VPN from your system. So this is the fix guys, and I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.